This is a quick video to show you progress on the truck. Wiring harness is installed. Fuse box is mounted there. You can see we got wires that still need to have sleeve applied to them, but they run through the firewall on this side. Dimmer switch is wired in. Gauges are wired. The only thing that's not connected is the speedometer cable and then the backlighting. The wires hanging down here are just for the headlight switch and the brake switch. Should be able to use the 55 Chevy headlight switch. Checked that out earlier this week. So I've, once again, no sleeving applied to the wires yet. I just wanted to get all the bugs worked out before I did that. Wiring harness comes through the firewall there, so I really think once we get this buttoned up, you won't really even notice the wires. The wire bundle for the front headlights are actually routed underneath the fender. I have those protected. Do not have those wired into the headlights yet, but I will get on that. Alternator, distributor, oil pressure, water temp, all that, and of course starter is wired in.